Welcome to the Mindful Age. I'm Dr. A. We're honored you joined us today here at the Mindful Age. Right now, I invite you to settle into a meditation space in a position that's available to you. Also, I invite you to close your eyes if that's available to you. If not, just cast a soft gaze in your lap or the space in front of you. And now we're finding an anchor. Your anchor can be the breath, moving in and out of the body, or maybe even the hands or the feet, or the way your body feels, making contact with the seat or the cushion or the floor. Pick an anchor that's available to you. And once you're settled into your anchor, bring awareness to the present moment and all that it encompasses. Stress is a normal, natural reaction to the difficult or unfamiliar situations we find ourselves in. Too much stress can lead to anxiety. I invite you to follow the following techniques to combat stress. And this is a visualization. Picture yourself walking on a short path that leads to a beautiful beach. The sun is shining down, and you feel the soft, warm rays against your face. The waves of the ocean are gently rolling towards the shore. And you hear the water splash against the beach. The smell of salty ocean air enters your nose, and you feel a light breeze against your skin. As we continue to walk, we approach a beach towel. It's been set up for us. We didn't even have to think about it or do anything. It's the perfect place to relax. Take a moment to sit or lie down on the towel. Soak in the sun. Listen to the waves. And feel the ocean air. Beside you, you see a picnic basket. Inside is your favorite lunch. Sit and enjoy the scene with your food, the sea, the sun. Take a moment to taste the food. feel the sun. You don't want or need anything in this space. If other thoughts arise, it's okay. Just gently return to the space. In about a minute, this meditation will come to a close. So in the meantime, just relax, enjoy the food, and enjoy the beach on this wonderful day. Soften your body and your senses. When you're ready, gently shift your focus from the beach to your anchor. And then slowly open your eyes. You can always go back to the beach when you need to take a break from the stressors of life. Thank you for joining us here at the Mindful Age. I'm Dr. A, wishing you peace, love, and happiness.